So I'm at Nifty 50s. I claimed my table, and then I have all these mystery boxes to open from my RSP. So let me show you the box. And these are the choices. And out of these, I'm looking forward to the Donald and the Dumbo. And then there's two special ones that are the, I don't know if they're complete or limited edition. I think they're all limited edition, but then there's two that are special that you get. So let's see. First bag, we've got Chip and Dale. Hope I don't end up with a bunch of Chip and Dale. We'll see. And Minnie Mouse. Box number 2. Here we go.
That way, I'm just giving.
Pinocchio. No repeats so far. And Ludo, he's kind of cute. Okay, that's box 2. Here's box 3. Let me open all the boxes then. That makes more sense. Okay, here we go. Trash aside. Goofy. And Goofy. So that's the first duplicate. Donald. Success. Okay. That's the one I really wanted. And another Goofy. Third Goofy. And here's Mickey. He's kind of cute. Okay, I might keep Mickey. Why not? Another Minnie. Got 2 minis. And another Mickey. Another Minnie Mouse. And another Minnie Mouse. And Chip and Dale. Pinocchio.
Hi, friends. If I can have your attention for just one quick second. Please remember, if you do have numbers 1 through 120, you can come pick up your merchandise at the event pickup store. We're located here at the left-hand side. Once you
Pinocchio.
enter, it's going to be straight ahead on your left-hand side. Once again, 1 through 115, you can now pick up your event merchandise.
Mickey. And last one. Dumbo. Oh yeah. So I got the 2 I wanted. Let me show you everything. Here we go. So these are the ones that I was looking forward to. And I guess I have some traders for today. I'm happy.